Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to put song on Snap in Snapchat. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Snapchat. Then select your snap. Here you can see the option of add sound and the icon of music. You just have to press there. From here, you can select your music. You can choose one of them depending on your needs. That's it. So this is how to put song on Snap in Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.